Okay guys, hello guys. So I'm gonna teach you how to grind a generation of miracle character fast. You can get a generation of miracle character fast. The minimum of 5 days. So first, let me teach you how to create a new account. So you press SR007 like this. Then this is all my accounts. If you want a new account, you should go to all and you should pick a green server there. I'm using SR007. Let's switch to our main account. I think it's SR004, but we're using SR002, the one we have Kisei on, and we press start. You should wait. This account is just on for 5 days and 5-6 days, and I already got a generation of miracle character. See? And it's already at level 50 and it's almost half upgraded at just day 6. You know how hard that is? So I'm gonna teach you the tips and tricks. So the first trick I should tell you to get a generation of miracle character quick is to grind the storyline. You should complete all the storyline to get all the rewards, and you should make all the storyline 3 stars to get this, all of this. After that, you grind challenge, because this challenge gives diamonds. This is really needed too, the books, and I'm gonna explain later. What you really need to get a generation of character hero or player is diamonds and the book. So let me explain why you need diamonds. You need diamonds to buy this thing, this one. So where can you find it? You should go to shop, press the second button, then under that you can find this. You should buy all 150 the 150 tickets. It costs 60 diamonds, but you can buy them all by grinding the storyline and challenges. Also, I may add, every day you should win 3 rank matches, because if you win 3 rank matches, it will give you rewards too, diamonds even. So why do you need this purple thing? This purple thing is called an EX ticket. You can use the EX ticket to draw here, then at the EX one, this is where you can get a generation of character hero. You can choose what character do you want from here, and I chose Kisei because he's the most very OP. I already done the 200 draws. You see that 15? It's because I completed it and I got Kisei at my 5th day. So you're gonna probably ask me, how did you get a generation of character hero when you just did 150 draws when it's supposed to be 200? Now let me tell you my secret. I said that you need the book, right? Like those white pages. Those white pages, if you go at shop, and then you go here at the 4th one, then at the last, you can see this cost around 100 or 200 books. It gives you 5 draws tickets, and you should exchange your books here. It gives you 10, so it already adds to 160. And it's still short, right? You go to the event hall. Wait, let me claim this. You go to the event hall, then I think it's the third one, fourth, fifth. At the fifth one, at the event hall, you should press under this. You can exchange 200 books for 10 draws. So that's 170. And if you use the coins, you can just grind the coins. It gives 6,000 a day. You can get this. You can exchange this 2 times. So that's 180. And some events also give this. Wait, where is it? Here. So we have 180. This is by playing 3 on 3 every day for 5 days. It gives you 10. So 180. Then it plus to 190. And you probably think, oh, it's still short. Yes, it's still short. 190. Then some of the tasks will probably give you boxes. This, when you draw this, it gives you 1 draw. It gives you 1 box, then gives you EX ticket. You can exchange it. I forgot where is it. It's here. See? I needed 5 days to get this, so this is already 196. And you're probably gonna ask, it's still short. Well, if you go to the draw, and then EX, after 40 draws, you can get 6. So 196 plus 6, it's 202, I think. 202 or 203 something, but it all adds up to 200. That's how you can get a Generation of Miracle character for only 5 days. That's the fastest. First step is storyline grind. Take all of the rewards there. All of the rewards. Step 2 is rank game. Play 3 wins rank game every day. Third is do these tasks, because these tasks give diamonds. See, it's just playing, guys. Just play 1v1, 2v2, 3v3 rank game, and then do the task here. I know you can't understand it, guys, but you can just press this and then it teaches you where you should play. Like this, it's 3 on 3. So after I press this, go 3 on 3, 1 on 1. 5 games of 1 on 1 just gives you power upgrade, but let's make that for another video. What use of this? Let's focus on how to get the fastest Generation of Miracle character ever. See this? After doing these tasks, you can get this. Yeah, it also gives paper, which you need for the exchange. This is where mostly you get the paper, the book one, to exchange. And that's probably all, but if you're not really rushing, you can just wait for day 10. The day 10 characters gives this. You can exchange this for these characters here. This is base Aomine. This is base Murasakibara, base Aomine, base Akashi, base Midorima, and then base Kise. So yeah, you should do task, and then task like this too. You need this blue thing, this blue one, to upgrade. Example, if your character gets level 10, you need that to break through your character to level 11, and then you need this green one to upgrade your character from 1 to 9. 1 to 9, and then 1 to 10, then 10 to 11, and then 11 to 20, then 20 to 21. Yeah, that's probably it. That's how I got my Kisei upgraded so fast. See, it's already maxed out. My Koroko, it's level 30. Yeah, you need that blue thing to break through. And then for the upgrade, you need the yellow thing here. I'm not upgrading that yet because I don't need it. My Taiga is level 50. It's both of them are S. So if you want diamonds, free diamonds too, you should go to the profile, do this task here. Just pick the longest answer, bro. The longest answer is always right. I don't know why they just made it that way. I don't understand Japanese. I'm a Filipino, and you can get things here too. Just grind and grind. And that's possibly all for this video. If you guys have any questions regarding Kurokono Basket Street Rivals, just comment and I'll try to make a video about it. Thank you, everyone. Also, I'ma say this last. If you go to this bus here, then you go to this shop at the right side top. If you grind this here, if you think your inventory has this, you can exchange them for diamonds or a book, which you can use to exchange for the ticket. And I think that's it. Thank you guys for listening. Azrael signing out.